Who restores a 62-year-old wagon to have 700 horsepower? We do. Our customer's parents purchased this car in April 1963 from a Ford dealership in California, James Lawrence Ford. We're going to be cutting out the whole floor and replacing it with a Speedtech independent rear end chassis. So along with the independent chassis, we're going to put big brakes, big wheels and tires. So we've got 19s in the front, 20s in the back. If we can make them fit, we're going to put 20s in the front, 21s in the back. So on the brakes for this car, we're going to put Wilwood 6-piston, 13-inch calipers in the front, and we're also going to put a 4-piston, 13-inch rotor in the back. So the suspension on this car is going to come from JRI. They're a high-performance suspension company that Speedtech uses. Makes these cars handle amazing. A cool feature on these cars is they had a luggage rack, and we're going to keep it on this car. I think they go well with the wagon. So originally this car was white, and in 62 years it's only been painted once to this red color, and now the customer wants it to go moss green, and with that we're going to do wood trim along the side. It'll kind of border around the car, and in the center we're going to do a painted wood finish to look like the real wood, so we have a woody wagon. We're going to do the chrome trim, we're going to keep it all, we're going to repolish it, we're going to re-chrome it if it needs it. It's going to be a badass car. So the interior of this car, we're going to keep the factory dash for that nostalgic look. We're going to put a vintage air AC system under here, the biggest unit they make, so that it cools this big wagon. Also, we're going to eliminate the bench seats because the new chassis is going to have a lot higher tunnel here, and we're going to do 4 matching bucket seats. Also, we're going to keep the rear facing seat that faces backwards. That's what makes these cars unique, is that it folds all the way flat and you can still haul lumber or surfboards or whatever you want. Along with that, we've got the 1,000 horsepower rated Be Cool radiator. Going to keep things nice and cool. We're also going to put on Hydro Boost brakes. They make these cars stop excellent. Hit that subscribe button and follow us for this build and many more. Can't wait till we hit the gas on this thing.